Choosing between two air conditioners often feels like a coin flip, but picking the wrong unit can cost you thousands in repairs and wasted energy over the next decade. One of these units is a rebranded legend with a massive warranty, while the other is a premium powerhouse built for efficiency. But only one belongs in your home. I'm HVAC Repair Guy, with over 17 years in the field as a service technician, installer, and licensed contractor, plus my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I've seen exactly which systems hold up under pressure and which ones leave homeowners sweating. Today, we're tearing down the Franklin GLXT7C and the Maytag PSA4BF to see which one actually earns its keep. The Franklin GLXT7C is a premium tier unit with a 17.2 SEER rating. It features a 2-speed condenser fan and a 2-speed compressor, meaning it doesn't just run at full blast. It can throttle down to save energy and provide better dehumidification on those mildly warm days. It's built in the USA and comes equipped with a louvered coil guard and a compressor sound blanket to keep things quiet, hitting a noise level of 70 decibels. On the other side, we have the Maytag PSA4BF. This is also a premium contender, though it sits at a slightly lower 15.2 SEER efficiency. Like the Franklin, it uses a 2-speed fan and compressor setup. It's manufactured in Mexico and shares the same 71 decibel noise profile, which is fairly standard for this class. Now, let's talk about who's actually making these. The Franklin is a subsidiary brand of Daikin Goodman, the world's largest HVAC manufacturer. Because it's part of that massive family, parts are available at almost every supply house in the country, which is a huge win for long-term serviceability. The Maytag is a private label brand produced by Nortec Global HVAC, which is now a part of Rheem Manufacturing. While it's a solid build, finding specific Maytag branded replacement parts can sometimes be a bit more of a hunt compared to the Daikin Goodman network. When you look at the protection, Franklin offers a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year unit replacement warranty, meaning if that compressor fails in the first decade, they don't just give you a part, they give you a whole new outdoor unit. Maytag offers a 12-year parts warranty and a 12-year dependability promise for unit replacement, which is one of the longest in the industry. In terms of real-world pricing, you can expect the Franklin GLXT7C to range between $3,800 and $5,200 for a standard installation. The Maytag PSA4BF typically commands a slight premium for that extra 2 years of warranty, often landing between $4,200 and $5,800. If you're looking for the absolute best value, the verdict is clear. The Franklin GLXT7C is the winner. You're getting higher efficiency at 17.2 SEER versus Maytag's 15.2, and the Daikin Goodman backbone ensures your local tech can actually get parts when the heat is on. The Maytag has a slightly longer warranty, but the Franklin's efficiency and serviceability make it the smarter long-term investment for your wallet. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC-for-beginners.com.